Good afternoon. Today is Monday, August 21st, 2023. We're here at Dollington Creek Pier 3, and this is an after video and inspection video for Quest. What we're inspecting is, I did see there was a concern with the swing keel on this boat. It looks like a lot of the outer shell paint or even fiberglass is coming off of it, leaving just the metal part of the keel. We'll get down there and we'll look at it. Since it's all cleaned up, you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. Thank you for choosing DS Dive.